Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Andrew, your Stuttering Tech, and I'm back after a little hiatus. I've just been so busy with work and spending some much needed time with the family outside of the house since everything is reopening. I would like to wish you all a happy 4th of July and don't eat too much barbecue. So this is the AXLOIE S6 Sports True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. In terms of specs, it features real-time heart rate monitoring, Bluetooth 5.2, supports Qualcomm aptX, SBC and AAC codecs, active noise cancellation, CVC 8.0 noise reduction with 4 mics, up to 32 hours of playtime, 8 hours from the buds, and the case provides the rest. Quick charge, charge them for 10 minutes and get 1 hour of music playback. One-click reset on the charging case, supports mono and stereo modes. One-step pairing, ergonomic secure fit with skin-friendly ear hooks provides a snug and secure fit for the majority of ears. At the time of recording this video, the price is $100. I will leave a link in the description down below. Looking at the charging case, it's chunky. Despite how thick it is, I have no problems putting this into my pocket. But if you're someone who wears slim fitted jeans, then you might have a problem. Just look how thick it is compared to my Poco F2 Pro and the OnePlus Nord N10 5G stacked together with a case on both of them. The charging case is still thicker. Going around the case, on the top we have a big AXLOIE logo. On the front, the LEDs which shows the battery life, and on the back a USB charging port. Inside, house the reset button, which I will talk about later on, and of course the earbuds. The AXLOIE S6 kind of remind me of the Powerbeats Pro, but it's not as ergonomic. To control the volume, play, pause, track skip, answer phone calls, and trigger the assistant, it's all done on this multi-functional volume rocker looking like button located on both buds. Pairing them is as easy as opening the charging case and in your phone's Bluetooth settings selecting the AXLOIE S6. Now this is where the reset button on the case comes in handy. Just hold the power button down for about 10 seconds and it's ready to pair to any other device, which makes things easy. You don't have to go in your phone's Bluetooth setting and disconnect it or unpair it from your device. Let's talk about the fit. AXLOIE claims it has a skin-friendly ear hook which provides a snug and secure fit for the majority of ears. Unfortunately, I don't fall into the majority. They don't fit in my ears properly, so I couldn't get a seal. The ear hooks irritated my ear after a few minutes of wearing them. Because I couldn't get a good seal, the audio didn't sound good, which is not the fault of the buds. Everyone's ears is shaped differently. Phone calls were low and the CVC 8.0 didn't work as intended. It's supposed to isolate your voice, blacking out as much as possible background noise. People on the other end were complaining that they couldn't hear me, especially when I was outside, very well. They were hearing all my background noises. Indoors, they could hear me pretty fine, but the problem was only when I was outdoors. They would hear everything, all the cars, blowing horns, everything. They were hearing everything around me and couldn't really hear my voice as well. Now there's an app that ties everything together. Inside the app, you can monitor your heart rate, view your heart rate status throughout your various workouts, workout calendar, schedule a task, and weekly running ranking. When it comes to the workouts, there are only 3 to choose from: walking, running, and riding. There are several different EQ presets to choose from, but no custom EQ, so you are stuck with what you get. In conclusion, I would have loved to say this is one of the best TWS earbuds I've ever had, but that's not the case. I can't give my opinion on the music listening experience for obvious reasons, but there is other shortfalls. I would have liked to see more workouts to choose from and the ability to set custom EQs. Maybe an update to the app can add those things, but the way it currently is, I'm not sure I can recommend this. That's it for the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Check the links down in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. A peace out.